Hey, curly hair fam! Welcome back to our channel. If you've been struggling to find the perfect brush for your curls, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 brushes that every curly-haired person needs in their routine. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. If you want to know about the price and other information, let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Crown Affair the Brush No. Zezo 2. Our best overall pick is like the Ferrari of hair brushes. It has a smooth, hand-carved grip that's lightweight and flexible. Easy to clean wooden pins that felt so nice on our scalp and painlessly detangled unruly knots. While we did notice less shedding, it's hard to say exactly how well it maintained our curls since we used a diffuser after wet brushing, which may have led to pattern changes and some flattening as it dried. Ironically, the price is enough to make you scratch your head, though it reflects its natural materials and craftsmanship. That said, it's a luxe investment for those with thick or tangled hair willing to pay extra for durability. But we have plenty of cost-effective brushes that work similarly. Next up, we have the Curls Ultimate Detangler Brush, as one of our top hair products of 2024. This brush blew us away with how quickly and easily it detangled our hair in just one pass, a rare feat that saved time and minimized frizz. Its firm yet flexible bristles maintained and enhanced our curls with noticeable bounce and definition. We also loved its 18 customizable bristle rows, so you can rearrange them to suit your texture and hair type. The hefty handle and wider body surprisingly lend an easy grip without feeling heavy. But if you're looking for a more narrow option, there are plenty on this list. Moving on to our third pick, the Sisley Paris Hair Ritual the Blow Dry. If you frequently blow dry your hair, you know how important it is to have a lightweight brush that softly detangles, enhances curls, and minimizes frizz. This brush does it all while efficiently smoothing everything from fine to thick hair and adding volume and shine. Although it's more expensive, we appreciate its powerful dual bristle combo, which gently untangles strands and stimulates the scalp as you brush. The round shape makes it slightly more challenging to clean than a paddle brush, but we still found it fairly easy to remove stray hairs around the bristles. Our fourth pick is the Dry Bar Super Lemon Drop Detangling Brush. This dry bar detangling brush is perfect for achieving relaxed, luscious curls. It includes a staggering number of bristles tipped with small plastic balls that gently stimulate hair follicles, which is also relaxing. We also love its no-slip, powdered matte handle, which is comfortable to hold and makes it easy to gently brush wet or dry hair without snagging tangles. Our only complaint is that the bristle tips can fall off over time, revealing sharper, less comfortable bristles below. This makes it a less durable and sustainable choice than the other options we've included here. Last but certainly not least, we have the Verb Detangling Brush. Verb's detangling brush works through even the toughest wet hair snarls in just 1 to 2 passes, thanks to its flexible, ball-tipped bristles that leave minimal breakage. However, it tugs a bit more on dry hair, so we prefer to use this brush in the shower. We appreciate how simple it is to clean with our fingers without combing it to remove smaller strands. The tipped bristles were also a treat, creating a soothing scalp massage sensation. But we worry they'd fall off over time, similar to the Dry Bar brush. Overall, this is a gorgeous and affordable option that will last you a few seasons. And there you have it, our top 5 brushes for curly hair. Remember, every curl is unique, so it might take some trial and error to find the perfect brush for you. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more curly hair tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite brush is. Until next time, stay curly.